Rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Proctors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys currently married?
my ex-husband.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 a month to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to? The $415?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And what else does Dad pay for?
He covers any extracurricular activities that the children would like to do. Anything that they want, they get.
Okay.
And he covers their health insurance. He's an excellent father.
Okay. So you say he covers extracurricular activities,
Yes, ma'am.
health insurance.
Buckle up, because this case is about to swerve hard. A mother steps into court asking to lower child support, despite her ex already footing the bill for, well, pretty much everything. At first, it looks like one of those rare, drama-free splits until she drops a bomb that sends shockwaves through the room. From surprise financial turns to jaw-dropping claims and a last-minute plea that no one saw coming, this hearing has it all. Let's unpack it.
I don't know. He would have all of the numbers for whatever he says. I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay. Okay. And what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right. That's a nice little spread you all have there. It sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay. So is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay. So you're paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right. And you're covering all extracurricular activities for each of them.
That's correct. That includes summer camp and baseball and everything. Yes.
Okay. So they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
And how much is that?
It's about $200 per kid.
Per kid. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that definitely, it's good that you all can come to that sort of an agreement and do that, because that's not something that happens all the time.
Hold up a second. She just admitted she has no idea how much the father pays for health insurance, yet she's completely fine with whatever number he throws out. That's already setting off a few alarms. And let's not forget, he's also paying for all the kids' extracurriculars, which is no small expense when you've got 4 of them. So, is this really a fair ask? Or is there a bigger story hiding underneath? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Sure, in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay. So, you said you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Correct.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,426.56, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Based on that, your gross would have been, it is, based on the documents that you presented, your gross is about $5,000 a month. Your net is about $4,075.88. So what I will do is go ahead and adopt
Your Honor,
the agreement. Yes.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not comfortable with this agreement, but he's really mean. And if I don't agree...
Wait a second. This couple actually managed to agree on child support without a court order? If you've seen even one child support case, you know that's almost unheard of. Usually, it's a fight over every last cent. But here's the twist. This is the first time their agreement is being made official. So, is she genuinely being cooperative, or is this move laying the groundwork for something bigger? Stick around because this is where things get interesting.
I object, Your Honor. I'm not doing
What's your
anything.
legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
He has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money, and I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy, yeah. That's okay, I'm crazy. I'll just agree
So
to
you're
this.
agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the documentation.
Can you maybe...
Hold on. Did she just claim he's pulling in $4.7 million, laundering money, and that she's got proof straight from his bookkeepers? And now, out of nowhere, she's saying she doesn't feel safe? That's a total 180. Moments ago, she was fine with cutting payments, and now she's practically pleading for the judge's protection. If what she's saying is true, this could spiral into major legal trouble. But if it's not, yikes, that's a huge accusation to throw out there. So, what's your take? Is she coming off as credible, or is there something that just doesn't add up?
Children, so that when he kills me, that they'll be taken care
Oh
of.
my gosh. Not to sound insensitive, but in terms of protective orders, this is not the court that you would want to be in. You would definitely need to be in another court. But if you're thinking in terms of safety, I think your first step is to call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. Sir, I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
I'm not doing
unfortunately, I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
He
As
has,
far as my
he has
job
everybody
goes.
on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
You know what?
receipts.
don't
I
even
have
wanna be
access to
incriminated
all
in
of
that.
his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do is...
Not the can we get life insurance in case he kills me moment. Even the judge had to step in with a, ma'am, this is not that kind of courtroom. If she's truly scared, this isn't the place to handle it. Child support court doesn't hand out protective orders, and tossing out criminal accusations mid-hearing without solid evidence is a recipe for chaos. But if she's telling the truth, then we're looking at a completely different case ready to blow wide open. Either way, this just swerved from a financial dispute straight into a full-blown crime drama.
You all, based on what you've been doing, the $415 a month, you will continue to pay that. You will continue to pay the $289 in health insurance. You will continue to cover extracurricular activities for each of the children, including summer camp. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. And I think I need to go have a drink because you
Thank you, Your Honor.
guys have really, made me nervous.
And just like that, the judge signs off $415 a month, plus health insurance and all extracurriculars. But let's be honest, the real story here isn't the dollar amount. It's the chaos that erupted in that courtroom. Did she just blow the lid off a multi-million-dollar crime scheme, or was this a desperate last-ditch play to flip the script? Either way, this one's going down as pure courtroom legend. If this case left your jaw on the floor, smash that like button, drop your take in the comments, and stick around for more wild legal showdowns.